Let's take a look at these treats. This is from Epiphany snacks, oven baked and dry roasted, blueberry almond crisps, protein rich, preservative free, cholesterol free, gluten free, vegan, and no added sugar. Comes in this fun packaging. Costs around 225 rupees or $3 or so. Manufactured in Bhiwandi, India. Ingredients are blueberries, almond, rice crisps, brown rice syrup, low carb sweetener, Himalayan pink salt, and flavor. This has around 430 calories. So let's taste it. That's how they look. So let's taste it. That's nice and crunchy. You get a lot of blueberry flavor. Almonds also give it a really nice crunch. Nice and sweet too. And this all gives it a really complex flavor. Really nice blueberry almond treat. Quite nice. Check it out.